This is Podcast to Perspective, where thoughts turn into insight. I take deep, meaningful conversation from some of the world's brightest minds and share the lesson that can help you. Today we are decoding a powerful conversation from the Diary of CEO featuring Reid Hoffman. Reid Hoffman is a founder of LinkedIn, founding member of PayPal, early investor in Airbnb and Facebook. He worked alongside the very best in tech, Elon Musk and Peter Thiel. In his 3-hour conversation on the Diary of CEO, he shared insights that go far beyond business, lessons about entrepreneurship, mindset, and self leadership. And today I want to share how these ideas can help someone like a young professional navigating ambition, growth, and purpose. I divide these insights into 3 parts. Part 1: The Entrepreneur of Yourself. Entrepreneurship is not for everyone, but everyone should be an entrepreneur of themselves. Reid said, "You might not run a startup, but you are always running your life. You are the founder of your habit, the CEO of your mindset, the investor of your own growth. Before you lead a team, learn to lead your thought. Before you build a product, build your foundation. Because the first company you ever build is you." Entrepreneurship is a team sport. No matter how your good idea is, it's your people, your trust, and your clarity that make it real. Trust is built through clarity and fact. He says when you are honest and clear, people believe in you. And when they believe, they help you to build what impossible alone. That's leadership, not control, but communication. So before chasing titles or funding, build trust, build clarity, and build yourself, because the strongest entrepreneur start within. In the next part, I will share how Reid Hoffman defined great founders and how you can think like one, no matter what you do. Part 2: How Great Founder Thinks. Reid Hoffman has worked with visionaries like Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Steve Jobs, people who change the way we live, the way we connect and work. And Reid says the real power was not just in their innovation, it was in how they thought. He said they all had one thing in common: they could communicate their vision so clearly that others feel part of it. They did not just lead, they inspired. They did not just talk, they transfer energy. That's what make people follow. When Reid invests in founder, he looked 3 things: big ambition, risk awareness, and team thinking. They say we, not I. And that's the mindset young professionals like us can apply anywhere, in teams or in career or in startup. Reid also said luck matters. He was in Silicon Valley, but he did not depend on it. His real magic is in action. Just because something does not have 100% chance of success does not mean you should not try. Don't wait for perfect certainty. Take the leap, pivot if needed, because courage is not about knowing the outcome, it's about starting anyway. So next time you hesitate, remember you don't need a guarantee, you need a direction. In the final part, I will share how Reid Hoffman see the future from AI to happiness and how we can align ambition with peace. Part 3: AI, Purpose and Happiness. When asked about AI, Reid said AI is not replacement for intelligence, it's an amplification of it. He says AI has a superpower that expands human potential, helping us think faster and deeper. For young people, it means learn to work with AI, not fear it. Use it to complement your emotional intelligence, not replace it, because the future belongs to those who combine human capacity with the machine efficiency. After all his success, Reid said happiness is living around people you love, building things that matter, and contributing to other lives. That's what real success is. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you matter. For young people and all of us chasing dreams, it's a reminder to build relationship while building career, to create impact, not just income. Happiness is not achievement, it is an alignment. So take this perspective with you, build yourself, trust people, take smart risks, embrace technology, and stay grounded. Because as Reid say, the real startup is with you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time and attention. See you in the next one.